Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I cook a lot with citrus fruits. Using either the zest or the juice can enhance a dish beautifully. But sometimes it can be hard to extract their delicious nectar unless you know a few tricks on how best to do it. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Like most produce, we want to wash them first, especially if we're using the zest, and have the fruits at room temperature. Alright, let's start with the first method. We'll roll the fruit back and forth on the counter, applying heavy pressure with the heel of our hand. This will help to burst the segments inside. This is a good one to use when we need just a little bit of juice. The second way is to use a microwave. So, depending on the size of the fruit, the time will vary between 15 to 30 seconds. A lime, for an example, will take 15 to 20 seconds, while a lemon can be 20 to 25 seconds, or an orange, 25 to 30 seconds. The next one is to immerse the fruit in a bowl of hot water from the tap, not boiling water, okay? Let the fruit in for about a minute, which will redistribute the juice. Of course, there's kitchen tools we can use, such as a handheld press juicer, a fork that we move back and forth in the flesh, the old-fashioned citrus reamer, and finally, the electric juicer.
As you saw in this video, extracting the most juice from citrus fruits gets much easier with all these little tricks. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!